Here are the best things to do in Funchal, Portugal. Number 13. Old Town of Funchal. Welcome to Funchal's Old Town. You're in for a treat as you stroll through its narrow, charming, cobbled streets oozing with history. Don't miss the chance to visit the Madeira Story Centre, a cool museum that spills all the captivating tales of Funchal's past. As you explore, make sure to take in the breathtaking architecture of landmarks like the Bank of Portugal building and the Cathedral of Funchal. They're real eye-catchers. Now, when you need a break, hop into a local cafe or restaurant and dive into some mouth-watering authentic cuisine. And guess what? You'll have some fantastic views of the harbour too. At night, get ready for some real fun. The place comes alive with vibrant nightlife, packed with lively bars and clubs to keep you grooving. Number 12. Funchal Cable Car. Soaring above Funchal on the cable car is an absolute thrill. Not only is it a heart-pounding adventure, but it's also a smart way to explore this beautiful Portuguese city. The Funchal cable car is the attraction everyone raves about, effortlessly whisking you from the lively city centre to the charming parish of MONTE. Gaze in wonder as you ascend and witness the jaw-dropping panoramic views unfolding before your eyes. The landscapes are nothing short of stunning. It's like a real-life painting. Number 11. Madeira Botanical Garden. For a tranquil retreat, head to Madeira Botanical Garden, an educational experience like no other, boasting a diverse collection of botanical species from around the globe. Established in 1960, this natural heritage nurtures exotic flowers and useful plants, each with unique names and origins to discover. Feast your eyes on the intricately manicured cactus, Japanese, and rose gardens that populate this oasis known as the Garden of the Atlantic. A leisurely stroll by its large lake introduces you to aquatic life forms, adding serenity to your nature journey. Number 10. WICKER Toboggan Sled Ride. Ready for an adventure that'll make your heart race? The WICKER Toboggan Sled Ride in MONTE is a total blast. This cool attraction has been around since the 1850s and packs a punch of history and excitement. Imagine yourself sitting in a handcrafted wicker basket sled, flying down steep streets while the expert cajeros handle the ride. The views are so appealing, you'll feel like you're in a dream. It's like a speedy, thrilling tour of the city and its picturesque surroundings. But MONTE isn't just about the ride. Dive into local delights, hunt for unique souvenirs in beautiful shops, and soak up the friendly vibes. Number 9. MONTE Palace Tropical Gardens. Go for a more thrilling adventure at the MONTE Palace Tropical Gardens, an impressive 753,000 square feet of natural beauty and themed gardens waiting to be explored. Your senses will be delighted as you meander through the lush, verdant vegetation, accompanied by the tranquil beauty of reflective lakes and the irresistible allure of grand fountains. But hold on, there's even more to uncover. Inside the garden grounds lies the MONTE Palace Museum, housing an extraordinary collection of over 1,000 contemporary Zimbabwean sculptures from 1966 to 1969. Not to mention a rare and exquisite assortment of minerals gathered from every nook and cranny of the world. Number 8. CR7 Museum. If you're a football fan, chances are you're already a fervent admirer of Cristiano Ronaldo. But if you want to take your appreciation to a whole new level, the CR7 Museum is an absolute must-visit. Prepare to be awestruck as you explore the museum's treasure trove of memorabilia, offering a glimpse into Ronaldo's illustrious career. From countless individual and collective trophies to rare mementos, you'll get an intimate look at the milestones that define his greatness. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour of his success on the pitch. The CR7 Museum also sheds light on Ronaldo's philanthropic endeavours and the profound impact he's made off the field. Number 7. Funchal Farmers Market. At the Farmers Market, get ready for a culinary journey filled with unique delights. This bustling market is a paradise for foodies and those eager to explore new flavours. Picture yourself strolling through colourful stalls, surrounded by the lively buzz of vendors showcasing their tantalising goods. Hungry for a thrilling experience? Try an array of exotic fruits that you won't find elsewhere. From juicy tropical treats to rare and peculiar flavours, you'll be spoiled for choices. The market's lively atmosphere also adds to the excitement as vendors proudly display their fresh produce, sharing the rich history of Madeira's culinary wonders. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Funchal experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Funchal Cathedral. Looking for an enchanting spot with a fascinating blend of architectural styles? Look no further than Funchal Cathedral. This historical wonder showcases the perfect blend of Manueline and Gothic designs. The Madeira-inspired cedar wood roof is a masterpiece you won't want to miss. Marvel at the intricately carved wooden choir stalls depicting prophets, saints and apostles from the 16th century. With a rich cultural and historical background, the Funchal Cathedral is a symbol of devotion. Pilgrims and worshippers flock to its hallowed halls to seek blessings, find inner peace and connect with a sense of spirituality that transcends time. Number 5. Santa Maria Street. Step into the lively atmosphere of Santa Maria Street and you'll be swept away by the city's attractive street art scene. The Painted Doors project, an initiative launched a few years ago, has given this historical cobblestone street a lovely makeover, adorning the building doors with an array of mesmerizing and colorful masterpieces. This unique artistic endeavor was spearheaded by a talented group of local artists who sought to rejuvenate the area while preserving its rich heritage. As you stroll through the scenic streets, you'll be enchanted by the sheer creativity and artistic flair on display, infusing the old town with a renewed sense of vibrancy. Each door tells a different story, and every brushstroke reveals a hidden meaning, making it an interactive and thought-provoking journey. Number 4. Funchal Marina Sunset. Enhance your Funchal experience by strolling the Funchal Marina during sunset, and you'll be in for a delightful treat. As the sun begins to set, the sky's stunning colors create a mesmerizing spectacle, reflecting on the calm waters of the marina, casting a magical glow all around. In the evening, the marina transforms into a vibrant hub of activity. Waterfront restaurants offer delectable seafood dishes and traditional Portuguese cuisine, tantalizing your taste buds. The golden hour also brings a sense of tranquility and serenity, allowing you to fully enjoy every moment. Amidst this serene setting, luxury yachts, fishing boats and sailors bustle about, adding a touch of liveliness to the scene. Number 3. Pico do ARIEIRO. Experience the pure magic of witnessing a sunrise at Pico do ARIEIRO, the third highest peak on incredible Madeira Island. Whether you're a nature lover or a photography fanatic, this place is an absolute dream come true. Now get ready to have your mind blown. Imagine the sky being painted with vibrant hues over those jagged mountains and lush valleys. It's like stepping into a real-life painting. And guess what? You'll be standing at a whopping 6,000 feet above sea level, taking in all the breathtaking natural beauty. The journey itself is an adventure. Picture yourself trekking along enchanting trails surrounded by unique flora and fauna. Who knows, you might even spot some rare birds or wildlife along the way, making it even more special. Number 2. Santiago Fortress. Don't miss the chance to discover the Santiago Fortress, a historical marvel with a story that dates back to 1614. Originally constructed to safeguard Funchal from pirate attacks, this eye-catching fortress now offers impressive sea views from its perch above the old town seafront. Take in the sight of its vibrant yellow exterior and distinct architecture, standing proudly amidst the whitewashed buildings of Funchal. Step inside the fortress to explore an engaging museum that unravels the history of both the stronghold and the city itself. Number 1. Madeira Wine Museum. Have you ever wondered about the magic behind Madeira wine? Head over to the Madeira Wine Museum, situated in the historic Blandy's Wine Lodge, where the secrets of this exquisite beverage unfold before your eyes. Delve into the rich history and cultural significance of Madeira wine in the region. You'll be amazed at how this elixir has played a pivotal role in shaping the local economy. This place offers more than history. There's plenty of tasting too. Discover the different varieties of Madeira wine and let your taste buds dance with delight. Click here for more things to do in Portugal.